Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the Ryse Energy E-5 wind turbine. In this video, we'll delve into the story behind Ryse Energy, exploring their commitment to innovative and sustainable energy solutions. We'll examine the detailed specifications and technical features that make the E-5 an exceptional choice for both residential and small-scale commercial use. Additionally, we'll discuss its impressive power and energy output capabilities, along with various design and safety features that ensure optimal performance and reliability. Please stay with me as I uncover everything you need to know about this 5 kilowatts wind turbine and its potential to revolutionize renewable energy. As the world intensifies its search for sustainable energy solutions, the Ryse Energy E-5 wind turbine emerges as a significant player in the renewable energy sector. This 5 kilowatt turbine is designed to deliver reliable power while minimizing environmental impact, making it an ideal choice for both residential and small-scale commercial applications. With its cutting-edge technology and robust design, the E-5 not only contributes to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, but also offers a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to traditional energy sources. Ryse Energy, a global leader in renewable energy solutions, is committed to revolutionizing the way we harness wind power. With operations across all 7 continents, the company has established a reputation for innovation, quality, and sustainability. Ryse Energy's mission is to provide efficient and reliable renewable energy systems that can be deployed in diverse environments, from urban settings to remote areas. The E-5 wind turbine is a testament to this mission, combining advanced technology with practical design to meet the growing demand for green energy. The Ryse Energy E-5 wind turbine is designed to maximize efficiency and durability, incorporating advanced features to ensure optimal performance in various environments. The turbine utilizes a horizontal axis configuration, featuring 3 blades made of durable glass fiber, each with a length of 2.15 meters. The rotor has a diameter of 4.3 meters, creating a swept area of 14.5 square meters, and operates at a nominal speed of 250 revolutions per minute. The generator is of the permanent magnet type, capable of producing a maximum power output of 5.5 kilowatts, with a rated power of 4 kilowatts. The turbine begins generating power at a cut-in wind speed of 2 meters per second, reaching its rated power at 11 meters per second and shutting down at a cut-out speed of 60 meters per second. It can withstand survival wind speeds up to 70 meters per second. Designed to meet the International Electrotechnical Commission 61402 Class 1 standards, the E-5 operates efficiently within a temperature range of -20 to 50 degrees Celsius and has a lifespan of 20 years, provided it receives regular maintenance. The nacelle and rotor together weigh 165 kilograms. To suit different installation requirements, the E-5 offers multiple tower options, including lattice, monopole, and tilt-up designs, with heights ranging from 6 to 27 meters. These features combine to make the E-5 a versatile and robust wind turbine, suitable for a wide range of applications and environmental conditions. The E-5 wind turbine is engineered to deliver consistent power output across varying wind speeds. The energy output of the turbine increases with the wind speed, reaching up to 22,500 kilowatt-hours annually at a wind speed of 10 meters per second. The E-5 wind turbine incorporates several design and safety features to ensure optimal performance and reliability. Passive regulation. The turbine uses an upwind passive system with a steering rudder to maintain optimal orientation. Noise levels. The turbine operates quietly, with noise levels comparable to a quiet room at night, 35 decibels, at 180 meters distance. Anti-corrosive blades. Blades and nacelle are treated with epoxy paint and hermetically sealed for corrosion and saline protection, making it suitable for coastal, island, and desert deployments. Remote control. The turbine can be remotely customized for optimum performance in different sites. Storm detection. An intelligent storm detection algorithm and automatic safety lock protect the turbine during dangerous gusts or hurricanes. Safety mechanisms. The turbine includes multiple safety levels, such as an electronic control system that activates mechanical and electromagnetic induction brakes and passive blade pitch control to limit power output. The Ryse Energy E-5 wind turbine is a robust and efficient solution for those seeking to harness wind power for sustainable energy production. Its advanced features, durable construction, and reliable performance make it a standout choice in the renewable energy market. By investing in the E-5, users can significantly offset their carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner, greener future.